Hello everyone, this is Bilal and I welcome you all in our course that is Building Planning and Drawing using the AutoCAD. The section, okay, so we are considering the section line in this one and we have discussed about the section. So we have seen that one, how to draw the foundation, okay, so how to draw the superstructure, and we have completed the ground floor section, correct? So we just cross verify that one whether it is completed or not. We have gone through this one, this section line. We have cutting one main wall, another one is partition wall, main wall and partition wall. All the four walls we have considered here. So main wall, partition wall, so main wall and the partition walls. So we have considered this one and we have completed the foundation. We have completed the all the doors we have shown, whatever it is cutting, on windows whatever it is cutting, everything we have shown here. The ground floor we have completed, okay. So now we just see that one, how to do the section in the first floor, okay. So we have taken this section. So here 1 2 3 4, again the four walls are there, and what all things are visible here, this window, this one extra door is there, and from this door we just see this ventilator also, this ventilator, then this window, and then this door, and then this gallery, and after the gallery we need to show the this one slab projection, okay. So now I just show you the first floor. So we just come to this wall. So I draw the slab here first. I just trim this one, I just extend the slab first. Okay, we have extended this slab here. So here in this wall, this column is thing, okay, so that is inside the wall only. After that, this window we need to show here. So we just check where it is coming, 1.168, same as the ground floor window. So I just copy this one, and again just copy and I just paste over here at the same position it is coming, okay. So next come to this wall. This wall we need to show the door we need to show at the lintel level, okay. Offset 0.15, enter. So here I just show the door. I just trim the extra parts. Now here I just show the door, okay. So after that we need to show this door. So the width of the door is how much? Width of the door is 0.9, okay. I just come here at the same lintel level, we need to show the door. Width of the door is 0.9, press enter, and here it is, we need to show. Then again, if we see this one, again one more door is cutting, then we need to show this door also. So I just extend the lintel, offset 0.15 is the lintel, and remaining part I just trim. And here also I need to show the door, okay. Again, okay. So I just come here, again this window, that is as same as below. So I just copy this one, I just paste over here, okay. So next, this door and this balcony. So this balcony is extended how much? 1.5 meter, and after that this slab is projected, okay. So this slab I just project here, offset 1.5 meter, okay. And I just extend this one, EX. So from here it is slab projection, slab projection is 0.45. Okay, so I just extend. So from not bottom slab, only the top slab is projected 0.45. Here one door is there. I just copy this lintel level, offset 0.15, press enter, and I just trim this one, and I just show the door here. Okay, I just move this one. I just extend EX, enter, and here if we cut this one, we need to show the railings over here of height 1 meter, offset 1 meter height railing, remaining we need to trim. And we just come to here. Here we need to provide the parapet at the corners or at the end of this one also we can provide that one. As in the actual, we are provided at this wall only. Okay, I have divided. We are provided at this above this wall only. In actual, we are provided the parapet. You can provide it at the projections also. There is no issue. So here 1.5 meter projection plus 0.45, 125, and we just join here. Okay, so like this we need to show the first floor. Okay, we have not shown the lintel here. I just show the lintel, offset 0.15 is the thickness of the lintel. I just show this one and I just trim. Okay, so I just go to the plan. What else remaining? We have shown this cutting section, window we just show this door, we draw this door, and here it is showing the ventilator. I just check where it is coming, how much ventilator it is coming. Okay, so from here you can see this one. This is the ventilator which is showing here from this door, and it is 0.415. I just draw here, offset 0.415, enter. And what is the size of the ventilator? I just check here. Size of the ventilator is 0.6 by 0.5. The depth is 0.5. Offset 0.5. This is the ventilator which is showing. Okay. And what else remaining? Just go to the plan. Then here this door, this ventilator, this window, this door, this sensor. Okay, everything we have shown here. Okay, so this is our section of this particular structure where we have shown the ground floor and we have shown the first floor, and we need to show the parapet. Okay, so now I just quickly do the hatching. The next step is we need to do the hatch. We need to show the dimensions and we need to show the specifications. Okay, so we need to show all these things. Once we show this one, then our section is completed. So I just go to the hatch here. We go to the hatch command. So first, whatever the concrete structures are there, or structural components or concrete components are there, so that I just hatch first. I just take the concrete hatch where it is. Okay, this is our concrete hatch. You can see this one, and I just do the hatch for concrete. 1, 2, PCC 3, plinth beam 4, lintel 5, slab 6, again lintel, again the slab. Similarly, I just come here, again PCC, this PCC. Okay, so here again, here lintel, okay, this slab. So again here PCC, this is the masonry structure, this is the plinth, again lintel, one more here and here. Okay, so if we come here, 1 2, this is PCC, then again plinth, again here one. Okay, so this much we need to show. And here it is. Here we need to add the coping offset 0.1. Here we need to add the coping or PCC. So 0.25 I just do. Okay, I think it's too close. 0.03. Okay, so next hatching for the masonry structure. Foundation hatch, we just do that one. So for the foundation we just need to take one straight line, one dotted line, correct? This one NSI 33 1. This is our foundation, foundation. I just change this one. Okay, okay, now it is okay. Next, after the foundation, wall masonry, just go to this one, or BBM, burnt brick masonry 1. This is also burnt brick masonry. Okay, and okay, so these things I just change the hatched. Okay, so next here the flooring we have not shown. Flooring offset 0.05, so 0.1 to 0.05. okay, so it is in between 0.1 to 0.05. Just take it as 0.1 string. Okay, we need to join here also, sorry. So above that one only our door will come. I go to the hatch, I just use the solid here. Below that one, sand filling or mud filling or soil filling. Okay, so next, okay, so here we have done the hatching, correct? So now we just go to the dimensions and we just show the dimensions. Go to the linear. Okay, I just show this one. This is 1.2. I just go to the limb style and just reduce the sizes, or else it will show a lot. Arrow size, I'll just make it as 0.1 here, and I just make it as 0.15, and primary units also just keep it as 0.00. That's okay. Close. Next column. Okay, next masonry structure. Just delete this one, masonry structure. Then PCC width of this. Then this one. Then plinth beam. Then masonry wall. So it is same, so I just don't show that. Okay, so now we just show the depth. So I just show full depth here. This depth, footing depth, these dimensions, everything will be given in the structural drawing, so no need to show that one. You can give the full depth also, there is also no problem. This is 0.6. Is it 0.6? Yes, from the plinth level it is 0.6, correct. Ground to plinth. Next. Floor height 3.2. Thickness of the slab, that is 0.125. Okay, I just changed the decimal, that's why it is showing this one. I just go there. Okay, so here I just move this one a little bit, so it should not look clumsy. Okay, so here we have shown the dimensions also. Okay, now I just write the levels here. Okay, what is level it is, so that you can understand that one, which area it is, all that things. Okay, so I just text command, using the text command. What is this? Master bedroom. Yes. This is the master bedroom. Here, ground floor, master bedroom, correct. So next one is okay, master bedroom, ground floor. Just copy this one. This is the master bedroom. This is not master bedroom, this is a common bedroom, correct. I just write common bedroom, first floor. Common bedroom, first floor. Here you can see this one, common bedroom, first floor. Okay, next, this is what? I just copy this one again. So here it is terrace floor. Here it is terrace floor. Okay, next, so if we come here, what is this? So this is our passage, we can say that one, passage. Here it is a passage. I just write pass, that's it for the passage. In the ground floor you just check, okay, this is a passage, ground. One passage here. If you come here, here also a passage. Just copy this one in the first floor. Okay, this is a passage. Next, here what is this? This is a common bedroom again in the ground floor and the first floor, correct. So I just write here. So common bedroom. This is also a common bedroom. So there we have written that one, which is ground floor and first floor. No need to write here. Okay. So then height, door height I just show here. It is 2.1. Okay, it is 2.1. Because of the decimals, I think it is showing some error here. It can see this one. So there is some error here. That will just make it rectified. Okay. And what else dimension we need to show? Okay. Okay. So here we have done one small mistake. That is not a mistake. We have not shown one component, that is beam. We have shown the plinth beam, but we have not shown the floor beams. Okay, that we need to show. Okay, so these type of mistakes we can learn from these mistakes, correct? So while you are doing that one in the you have taken any project and all, sometimes while doing that one you will miss some components. Once you will miss that components, what you just get panic. Okay, I missed that one, then again we need to revise the thing, all that things, revise everything. You just get panic. So I just tell you how to add the beams here. So we have missed that one, right? So we just tell you how to add the beams quickly. Okay, so I just write what is the depth of the beam we have considered here. Okay, I just write here 13th point, depth of beam, depth of beam we have considered for this one, this particular this particular project. We have considered depth of plinth beam as 0.45 meter. Okay, 0.45 meter. I just come here and I just show you where to provide the beams. So where the beams will come, that things will be shown in your structural drawings. Okay, so it will connect to the each columns, and wherever it is required, according to that we need to provide that one. So if you consider here, about this wall the beam is coming, about this wall also beam is coming, because there is a column. For that purpose we are providing the beam is coming. Here also the beam is coming, because this is a main wall, so the main wall load is coming over the slab. That's why we are providing the beam over here also. Here also it is coming the beam. So on all the four walls the floor beam is the beam is coming, the floor beam is coming. Okay, so we just provide on the all the four walls, we need to provide the floor beams. Okay, so we have considered the depth of the beam as 0.45. So what is the mean by depth of the beam as 0.45? Okay, so always you just remember, if anything is given depth of the beam as whatever the depth, it is 0.45, 0.5, 0.6, this means that it is inclusion of slab. That is not a clear beam. So always you just remember that one, whatever the depth of the beam we are considering, that is inclusion of slab. Okay, inclusion of slab thickness. So what is the clear beam depth? Clear beam depth, that is total depth of the beam minus slab thickness, is equals to how much? I just check. That is 0.325 meters. So this is our clear beam depth. Okay, that we need to show here. So where it is coming, in all the floor it is coming. So I just remove the hatch here, okay, wall hatch, and I just add here, what is that, offset 0.325, correct, 0.325. so I just add here 1, here again 2, 3. Similarly I do the here also. Okay, I just extend this one, EX, enter, so enter, here, here and here, whatever it is not required I just trim, okay. So this is the depth of the beam we need to provide. What is the width of the beam? The width of the beam is the same as the thickness of the wall, or we can consider as what we have considered here, the width of the beam width of beam 0.23 meter. So that to avoid the offsets we need to take the same as with wall thickness. Okay, but here you can see this one, the wall thickness is 0.15. then again what we need to do here, if it is a wall thickness 0.15, also we need to take the width of the beam as 0.23 only. The minimum dimensions which we need to mention or maintain for the width of the beam is 0.23 only, and depth also 0.23 only, not less than that as per the structural safety. So for that purpose I'm just making this one as 0.23. okay, or I just take the offset 0.23 here also, and I just extend this one. Okay, so now we need to hash this one. Once we hash that one, we need to hash the walls. I just trim this one so that it looks continuous or homogeneous. It is homogeneous. Okay, so that's why we are considering depth of the beam is including the slab, because the casting, the concreting or casting we have done at the time of the slab concrete only. We are not doing the separate beam concreting and separate slab concreting. The casting of this slab and beam is always at our time. Okay, I go to the hatch command. Again I just go to the concrete, clear. So we have done this one. Okay, so now I just hash the walls. BBM 1, so better to hatch separate for first floor and for ground floor. Okay, then I just go to the hatch. Okay, so this is how we need to do the hatching, and this is how we need to provide the beams. Okay, so always you just remember, in the frame structure the structural component is slab, beam, lintel and plinth beam and column, footing and PCC. Okay, these are the structural components. So now we just need to mention the specifications. Okay, or we just provide that one, what are the structures are. So I just go to the section leader options, I just click here. So this is our PCC, right? This is our PCC or CC bed, cement concrete bed, plain cement concrete bed, that is PCC bed. Okay, so next this one, this is as column footing. This is as column footing. Okay, next this one is UCR masonry or stone masonry. UCR masonry. UCR masonry. Above the masonry, UCR masonry, there is a RCC plinth. RCC plinth beam. Next it is, what is this? This is BBM. Okay, our one here it is coming, this one BBM, that is burnt brick masonry. Burnt brick masonry. And then lintel, RCC lintel. Then RCC beam, RCC slab. I just show the slab only here, beam I just show in above. RCC slab, and here that is a door. This one is a door. Then RCC lintel. Then this is RCC beam. Then again RCC slab. Then again there is a parapet wall. Parapet wall. So we have mentioned all the specification over it. Now you can just ask me like, sir, we have provided the specification, that is with the ratio also in the last class, but here we have not shown the ratio, only the specification we have provided, because that ratios and the specification will be mentioned in the structural drawings. Okay, so this is a frame structure, so we can't predict that one. It will be changed from structural components to structural components, the ratios and all, so that's why I'm not mentioned here. Okay, so in the this one in the structural drawing, it is mentioned clearly according to the analysis. Okay, so now we just check what other things is missed here. If anything is missed in the section, we just check that one. Okay, so here we have shown everything, details, all that things we have shown in the ground floor, in the first floor also we have just shown. I just go through the plan. Okay, everything is shown here also. Okay, everything is shown, dimensions, all the dimensions we have shown, and all the specifications also, or the components or name of the components we have shown. Correct? So this is how we need to do the section drawing. So I hope you will understand that one. I hope you will not get confused here. If you get confused here, you just go and check the video again, so that it will just clear your doubts. Again, you just check that one. If you're not clear, you just go and text me. We just arrange one live class, so that whatever doubt session class, so that whatever your doubts are there, we can clear over there. Okay, so whatever the dimensions I have used here, whether it is elevation, whether it is section, or in the plan, whatever the dimensions I have assumed taken here, that is the actual dimension what we have used in the project. Okay, so that actual dimension is come from structural analysis, and as per the ground condition, as per the loading condition, as per the structural type, everything we have decided that one, and we have taken that one. As per the client requirements also, we have taken that one. Okay, so these all are the dimensions we have actually taken on the fields. Okay, so and wallet's limiting. Okay, I just write here, this is our front elevation. I just copy this one, I just write here section at x-axis, okay. You can draw a separate block over here also. So to the separate box, you can do that one. No necessary of doing all these things. Okay, I'm just showing you. Okay, so this is how we need to show the section. We don't want this, I just delete this one. You'll see in the later why I have drawn this one. I just tell you in the next sessions. Okay, so these are the things we need to show, or these are the minimum things which we need to show in the sectional drawings. Okay, so that it will be easy to understand by the layman's, or easy by understand by the clients, or easy understand by the site engineers or the supervisors while the execution of the work. So in this presenting drawing, or in this presentation drawing, whichever you give to the field, or in the working drawing, whichever you give to the field, these are the minimum things you need to show in the sectional part. Okay, so hope you will understand everything. So if you have any doubts, you can feel free to call us, or you just inquire us, and within the next class or in the next video, the continuation of this drawing, we just do that one, that we go to the working plans, and next we go for the other architectural drawings. Okay, this is the same exercise we just continue in the next video. Thank you.